Same guy again. I mean, we need to keep the primal guidance. It's really minion heavy deck. He's using a super minion heavy deck. And if I can get rid of the Shadow Skyr in one turn, I'm the happiest guy in the world. Hmm. This is better, right? We can use the Beast Fury Shaman next turn and Arcomonian Onslaught the turn after to get some value. Okay, he's just blast waving. That's a good sign. I'm not using the small bag of tricks here. So if you do that same shit again, like Arcane Transcendent Faraday Cage, I will just flip out. Okay, he doesn't have anything. No. This is bad. I will just do the greedy move here because I want a stable board. This is a more durable board. Come on, pink pass. Faraday cage. This is so annoying. I will still do that. And he will probably clear it. Green Giant will be a huge 6 drop. So that's why having two 5/5s is solid pressure for him right now. So I need to clear my graveyard. What is he even thinking? He probably has some clones in his hand and some mana cost reduced creatures. Okay, ratify. He will regret that, right? I mean, it's still full clear. Let's try our chance. He'll probably go for full clear, but we will play the green giant, so it won't be any issue. Yeah, I never seen a mage without Asterisk Implosion on turn 6. I'm not even lying about that. But second Ratify, I mean, if he has another second Ratify, it's pretty much lucky. I just tried to bait him. I hope it worked. Man, this guy's playing super slow. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's definitely not that bad. But why is this guy playing super slow? It's next level slow. Okay. Yeah. So we can do something like that first in order to not miss damage. Okay. Obviously it won't attack face. Yeah, in 2 turns we can get forage value hopefully. Inferno and a 3 mana Inferno? Okay. That's like just insane. Uh, I wonder what he cloned. Please don't clear this, okay? Please. Can I get tiny bit of value? Yeah, it's obviously demogorgons. You know what? Just fuck it. Yeah, he copied the demogorgons, right? He got 2 demogorgons in his hand right now. This is annoying. Demogorgon clone abuse. Check. I mean, why is he even thinking he will play Demogorgon, right? Or was that top deck? I wasn't paying attention, to be honest. Let's try our chance. Okay, not bad. I just need to smash face. If he didn't copy the Demogorgon, it's Avatar of Mage or something like that. Maybe it's the Froggy Frog. I'm super tilted right now. Man, wasn't that just 6? We wasted the Rhino turn. I mean, it won't do any difference. GG.